Welcome back, guys. Lord Augustus here with another video. Today is the troop training day, and as you can see, I posted last week. I told that if I could go above 2 million power, it would be very good. So I did reach 2.1 million, and that's with some troop training, building upgrades, technology. The first 5 minutes of the like 2 or 3 minutes of the video, I'd like to tell what mistakes I have done till now and what should you avoid. The first mistake is never rush your castle. Try to stay in one decent level. Try to bring the at least resource producing buildings to that level. Get your research. As you can see, I am very low on research. I have maxed out my class legion. I am doing 22% in my medical. I have wasted much time in rapid production. Town development, yes, I am continuing. Basic combat, I am continuing. Basic military is going on. Zone com, this is what I am really struggling with, because I have skipped, maybe I have rushed 1 or 2 castle levels. So this has got me into a bit of a problem. But again, I am stopping here at castle 19 now, unless and until I get the zone com at least to say these, I won't be moving to castle 20. But if it takes more than a month or so, I might move, but at least I'll be completing with the advanced rewards. This helps a lot, guys. Please remember that this will help you a lot. So these are the mistakes I keep on making. The third mistake I keep making is that whenever there is a Clash of Province or event going on, I forget to pop up the 100% COP reward. So this has cost me my third chest many times, which has cost me again in resources, hero tokens, so many things. So never forget to do that. Why is that? If you can see here, Clash of Province competition, I'll go here. So if you go to here, you will see these hero tokens or courage medals, hero tokens and courage medals. So these are really important if you want to max out your zone commemoration. What this does is, once you have enough hero tokens, go to the token shop. Here you can see you will get, for 15 hero tokens, you will get 50 courage medals. So please ensure that each day you are purchasing at least these 50 medals, because these are very important for you to max out your zone combo. I have not done this, and this has costed me very badly. So this is the thing. The next mistake that I have made is, for say the initial start of C19 or the period of initially when I reached C19, I did not produce crystals. Since I was lacking gold, I did not produce crystals, which has hit me since I am now not able to move to blacksmith level 9, which requires 6000 your dragonite. Sorry, it's dragonite. So what this has done is, I am not able to produce any cav gears or any archer gears, proper archer gears. This has really costed me. The third and the biggest, one of the biggest mistake I have made is training grounds. Okay, this is very necessary, since whenever you are upgrading your castle, remember, if it's your main castle, please upgrade your training grounds. It will give you a huge boost in your troops capacity, which will in turn help you in gathering resources, or when you are raiding, you will get more and more resources from your opponents. One more point to this is that, if possible, please keep on upgrading your storages. Now you can see I am at 12 million capacity of marble, but I am already at 9 million, and tomorrow our SVS starts, and I have no way of spending 9 million marbles. So even if I get marbles, it will be a waste. Hence I have started with the upgradation of the storages. So Definitely this will help, but yes, I am very behind schedule, so please don't make these mistakes. Now guys, since it's a training day and I have few speed ups saved. uh, okay, coming to speed ups, guys, if you're really serious about these days, one more way of getting speed ups is please upgrade your training houses to at least level 10. Speed ups unlock. So even if you get 2 to 3 speed ups of 1 hour per day, just imagine, you can get at least 18 to 20 hours of speed up per week. So this will give you a huge boost. So do that also. So now today is the training day, so I'll be going ahead and training some troops. Let's see what I can. So I have unlocked Cav. Today it's 7 hours. In 7.5 hours my T7 archers will be unlocked, so I'll be training them later, but now I'll just go with the uh, training of the caves. And one more thing before that I do, since this event is going on, the horror from the ruins, where while gathering or killing marauders you get some chest, shadow chest, I think it was the name of, yeah, shadow assassin chest. So from this you get plenty of rewards per day. You can get 100 chests, so remember to always open this. So I'll just go with this. Let's see what we get. I am just hoping for advanced teleport, or maybe say uh, yeah, super recruitment tickets. Let's go. So Dragonite, yes, I'll take it because I need it. Gold, obviously I'll take it. 15 minutes speed up, yes, definitely. Marble, yeah, kind of, not now, but yeah, thank you for giving. Wood, yes. Advanced recruitment tickets, of course, for the hero day. Food, yeah. Iron, definitely. Crystals, yes, I would take it. Skin exchange fragments, yes, I'll take it. Oh, thank God you gave me 150 courage medals. Yes, this is something I'm looking forward. VIP, yeah, not necessary now, but after Castle 20, it's necessary. Then hero experience always, and wisdom medal always. So you can see we get some good mix of things from the boxes. So never miss it out. Unfortunately, I did not get super recruitment or advanced teleport, what I was wondering. But no issues, I'll take everything. I'll just collect it. Now let's go back to our objective. First of all, I'll not make this mistake again. I'll just exchange to 100% and I'll be using it. Okay. Do I have my hero placed? Yeah, I have my hero placed. So I'm at 2.171. Let's see what we can go. I'll be only focusing on T7 Cavs. See, I got my first chest. Thank you. So the rewards are less because I don't have the zone com activated yet. I have tried to time it out. Well, what do I get? Yes, definitely I'll take hero tokens, Dragonite fragments, and I believe it will give me speed ups. Yes, it will give me speed ups. Definitely I'll be trying out. So T7. It takes 8 hours 24 minutes. Again, I have not maxed out the cavalry training and all, so losing on speed ups. So please do this. I have 94 speed ups. I plan on using 50 today. Okay, again clicked because my this it's lagging a bit, so I'm losing out. I lost 3 speed ups, if you can say. So let's go and check if we got our yards. Yes, we got the second purple chest. Yes, this is very necessary for me. Advanced teleports, courage medals. This is what I want. This will give you gold, super recruitment ticket, wisdom. Yes, 160 courage medals always. How far we are? 2.635 million. Yes, so let's see if we can get some. Let's go and use. This video will be a bit long, say 15 minutes, but yeah, please hang on to me. If I can get enough troops and enough advanced teleports, definitely I'll be going for the SVS tomorrow, and it will be a really short video for tomorrow, since I don't have much troops and the state we are against is powerful. They have C25s, 24s, majority of the 20s, and I do not want to lose too much. Okay, what am I lagging? Wood. Okay, I have used 1.5 million wood. Again guys, I'm holding on to my resources because I want to get the zone com as much as possible before moving to C20. Let's see if it has bought us something. Yes, I got my early chest. Do I get speed ups? Yes, I got speed up. Some gold, iron, yeah, of course. So guys, this will be it. It's 10.4 million and I need say 5 million, so I might pop up one more 100% or a 50% depending on it. So this is it guys. Thank you so much for sticking to me, and please like, comment and subscribe. It really matters for somebody who has started his channel. So thank you once again guys. See you in the SVSKE.